In Celtic mythology, the concept of sovereignty is not merely political. It is deeply intertwined with the divine, embodied by powerful goddesses such as Macha and Medb. Each of these figures represents vital aspects of rulership, warfare, and fertility, illuminating the sacred bond between a ruler and the land they govern. Macha is one of the principal goddesses associated with warfare, fertility, and sovereignty, making her a multifaceted and significant figure in the Celtic pantheon. Often linked to the rich landscape of Ulster, she symbolizes the strength of the land and its capacity for nurturing life. Macha is also associated with horses, creatures that are emblematic of power, speed, and nobility in Celtic culture. In some myths, she is depicted as a warrior goddess, leading armies to victory, while embodying the fierce protection of her people. Her connection to both fertility and sovereign rule highlights the integral relationship between the land and those who wield power over it. A ruler's legitimacy was often believed to be tied to their connection with deities, such as Macha, who blessed the land with abundance and vitality. Both Macha and Medb embody the critical concept of sovereignty in Celtic tradition, the sacred bond between a ruler and their domain. This bond is often illustrated in various myths, where the goddess appears as a symbol of the land itself. The very health, well-being, and fertility of the realm were seen as reflections of the goddess's favor. Thus, rulers were expected to uphold justice and harmony in their governance, securing their position as legitimate and rightful leaders through their relationship with these divine figures. In this way, the notion of sovereignty transcends mortal power, intertwining the fate of the ruler with the sacred essence of the land. Medb, also known as Queen Maeve, is perhaps one of the most iconic figures in Celtic mythology, especially within the Ulster cycle. Her name means she who intoxicates, symbolizing the compelling and often tumultuous power of rulership. As the Queen of Connacht, Medb is depicted as a formidable and ambitious leader, defying societal norms and asserting her dominance in a male-dominated world. Her character is multifaceted. She is not only a warrior and strategist, but also embodies the complexities of desire, power, and sovereignty. Medb's role in various tales, including the famous Tain Bo Cualange, the cattle raid of Cooley, illustrates her unyielding pursuit of power and her willingness to challenge the boundaries of both political and personal ambition. Together, Macha and Medb represent the dual aspects of sovereignty in Celtic mythology, the nurturing and protective qualities of the land, as well as the fierce and ambitious nature of rulership. Their stories serve as both cautionary tales and sources of inspiration, emphasizing the deep reverence the Celts held for the land and the powerful women who governed its fate. Through their legacy, Macha and Medb invite us to ponder the intricate relationship between the ruler, the ruled, and the sacred landscape that binds them together.